Metal is a professional manufacturer and exporter of pipeline products in China. Established in 1998, we specialize in supplying high-quality pipes, tubes, fittings, flanges, and related accessories. Coupling is a device used to fix and support pipes, usually made of metal or plastic to ensure the stability of the pipes. Common types include standard coupling, spring coupling, and plastic coupling. In terms of materials, there are options such as stainless steel, galvanized steel, and high-strength plastic. Each material is suitable for different environments. Coupling specifications include width, thickness, and adapted pipe diameter, and there is an adjustable design to accommodate pipes of different sizes. It is mainly used in various piping systems, construction projects, and mechanical equipment. During installation, it is necessary to ensure that the coupling matches the pipe and is installed firmly. Regular inspection and maintenance are also important to ensure the normal operation of the piping system.